Does your store look like this, or this? These stores suffer from what's called the explanation gap, and I'm going to show you why. The explanation gap is when you know your store so well, but your customers don't. Your customers have no idea who you are, what you do. They go to your site and they're so confused. They're like, what am I doing here? What do these guys actually sell? It's a huge problem and it's so common, guys. You need to communicate your products and your brand. Why does it happen? I see it all the time with new e-com store owners, and I'm gonna show you some real examples of it happening and then examples of stores that don't do this. Stores that really clearly communicate their brand, their products, and are doing really well because of it. So why does it happen? It happens because you get so stuck inside your store and you forget that your customers don't know any of the stuff that you know. Think about it, your customers have like 10 seconds after viewing your site to figure out who you are before they're gonna go, screw this, I'm going somewhere else. And this is a big problem. How do you clearly communicate your products to these people in a short amount of time? It's hard, man. But you do this with good content. This means really thinking about what you're putting on your homepage and your product pages. The photos, the text, the videos. And make sure it clearly communicates who you are and how you're helping these customers. Make sure you properly build out your pages. Add a lot of images, content, add product descriptions. Get videos created if you can, even if you're just taking them on your phone camera. Make sure customers really understand how you do business with them. How do you ship your products? Make this super clear and easy to understand for people that have never purchased from you before. Man, the list goes on and on. Let me show you some real life examples of stores that are not doing this. And let me show you some examples that are. You're going to see a huge difference. Guys, let me show you some examples of stores that are not doing this and show you some examples of stores that are. So this one here, these guys are meant to be selling knives, but they've got on their homepage, it's just like a shirt. It's like really, really weird. And click shop now and go in. And then you've got the shirts here, even though they're meant to be selling knives. Like when you go to the actual knives over here. So they've got apparel and they've got knives, and it's so confusing, really, really confusing. If I went to the homepage, what the heck, what is this store? It's not communicated. And so here, the same thing. This is one of their products, is the Tactical Knife Steel Handle Hunting Survival Damascus. Product title is really ambiguous. You know, maybe they've just pulled that in from AliExpress or wherever they're drop shipping these products. I'm not sure if they are drop shipping, but it looks like it. Man, it's like just not communicated at all. There's nothing in the description really that tells me what this is. It's meant to be a hunting knife, survival knife, but it just looks like a knife. I guess it's got the little band thing so you can take that off and use it as rope or something like that, but it's just not communicated. I'm so confused. As a customer coming here, I'm like, what the heck is this thing? The next store is this one called BetterTrans. I just found this one here. It looks like some sort of general store as well. Homepage, it's like, what the heck is this store? Are they selling books, roses? There's no content, no substance at all. I'm guessing they're using this to just test out products. But man, as a store, and those colors, they look terrible. But it's just not clearly communicated. This one here is called LuxeDre, or LuxeDre, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. But it looks like they're selling a bunch of products, but same thing, homepage. It's just like images, like stock images. Like, yeah, I'm guessing they're probably trying to test some products, but man, the customers, they're often gonna go to the homepage and check that out. Like, what is this brand about? Man, like, it's not communicated at all. I'm confused. I have no idea what these guys do. It's really confusing. And this one here is another one I found. And I found this one, I'm like, what actually are these guys selling? Because love is a gift. Let Kamari, the brand name, be part of your love story. Discover a selection of romantic and meaningful rose-inspired collections. Make your heart skip a beat with romantic motives. I'm like, okay, so something about love. It's like they're selling something for like people's girlfriends or fiancés or whatever. What the heck is this? The Rose Bears range is all about the unconventional. Okay, still super vague. I have no idea what you're selling. Roses have symbolize love, romance, passion, friendship. Okay, so there's something about roses, handmade. Okay, Rose Bear. Okay, so you're selling this sort of stuff here. Is this real roses? Are these fake, synthetic? What the heck? Like, what am I buying here? It's just not clearly. They've had a go. They've given it a go, but it's just not clearly communicated. And then I stuck on the product pages. I'm like, okay. So it looks like, synthetic roses. Okay, that makes sense now. Okay, I guess it's synthetic roses. You see, it took me like a minute or so to really go, okay, what the heck is this? As soon as you make those customers think, you lose them. The friction's there. They're just like, back, screw this. I'm not going to try and think on this website. I'm not here to do homework. I'm here to buy a product. So if you create friction like that by not explaining what you do, who you are, you've lost them. And your conversion rate is just going to plummet. let me look at some stores that are doing well. I found this store. These guys are selling these robes. It says the warmest, most versatile change robe in the world. Change robe, that's a term that people know. I didn't really know about it till I saw this store, but people know about this. It's like when you go swimming and you water sports and stuff, you can put this on and it keeps you dry really, really quickly. And even if it's confusing for me, I'm like, okay, I can kind of get the picture from that from here. But I scroll down, the warmest and most advanced change robe. Embrace change and seek experiences, blah, blah, blah. That's kind of vague, but it is what it is. But I can see from the images, okay, people using this in that environment, they're not just a product image. It's like, okay, people using this in the snow, where it's freezing cold, mountains and stuff, water sports. They're communicating exactly who they are. So the effort it takes me to figure out, okay, what is this product and what they're selling, it's much less. And you got to keep in mind that people are often coming to this store after searching for something. Okay, so they're searching for change robes. So they're searching for that, so they know, okay, it's probably about this, but they're making it super clear. This is what we do. Here's the context of when you use this. Another great example is this white noise machine. They make it so clear what they do, who they are, and how they're helping people. Turn your bedroom into a haven for sleep, peaceful, non-looping white noise so you can fall asleep and stay asleep. Right there in the top hero image, non-looping white noise, so clear. And then here, product image is right there. People know what it looks like. White noise machine. Man, it is like, this is who we are. This is what we sell. Here's the benefits. You should buy from us. And it's just so clear. This is like the standard of what you should really be trying to achieve with the communication on your website. They've done a fantastic job. And this is just a one product store. It could even be a drop shipping store, who knows? But they're doing a fantastic job with that. That's a good example of clearly closing the explanation gap. They're not expecting their customers to know everything. They know that the customers want a white noise machine because they're targeting that keyword with their Google Shopping campaigns. People come here to this store and they make it really clear what they do and why they should choose this store to buy the white noise machine. That's it for this video, guys. Hope that was helpful. If it was, give it a like. Let me know in the comments below. Check out my other videos, guys. Consider subscribing and turn on notifications so you know when I make a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye for now.